Wow. Here is the result of Hurricane Debbie here in Hull, Quebec, in the parking lot at the Gallery de Hull. I have my rain boots on, so I'm going to walk through this deep water. As you can see, the water, oh my God. Look how high the water is on my boots. That's how deep the water is here. Yeah, in the parking lot here at the Gallery de Hull. Oh my God. I'm not going to go too far deep into the puddle. That is crazy. The water is so deep in the parking lot here. Right near the East Side Mario's and everything. Gallery de Hull. Yeah. Totally crazy. Crazy, crazy weather.